Welcome to Tech Tether. Virgin Media Router Login. Open your computer or laptop. Open an internet browser of your choice. Type 192.168.0.1 in the address bar. A login screen displays. Enter the settings password printed on the back of the hub and click Next. You will be logged into Virgin Media settings page. Note, if you have enabled modem mode on the hub, enter the IP address 192.168.100.1 instead. The steps will be applicable for Hub 3, 4, and Super Hub 1, 2, or 2AC. Change Virgin Media Wi-Fi password and SSID. Log into the Virgin Media settings page. Click on Advanced Settings Wireless Security. You can configure both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz wireless security settings from this page. Enter Wi-Fi name on the Wi-Fi network name SSID field. Enter Wi-Fi password on the Wi-Fi password security key field. Click Apply Changes to save the settings. Thanks for watching.